Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Dear student, before starting the lesson, you must have with you Class 4 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publisher official website. Now look at the unit number 2, words matter. We will start our lesson from unit number 2. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize grammatical functions of selected parts of speech, demonstrate through role play and discussion, conversation to communicate information and ideas. Look at the page number 12 here in your textbook. We have a grammar portion here. See what it says. Match the nouns of column A with the verbs in column B and write them in column C. Dear students, first we will discuss nouns and verbs, what they are. Look at here. Both noun and verb, here noun and the verb, both are parts of speech and both are very important to make a sentence. Look at here at the noun first. What is noun? A word that represents a person, place, thing or idea. Here you can see a person is a girl here. A place is, yes, we have a school here. It can be any city or country too, like Karachi, Islamabad. Thing can be a book here. We have a book here, a pen, table, pencil. So many examples we have. Or an idea. Idea can be anything like joy, hate, honesty. These are the idea. These all things represent here the noun. So now you have a very good idea of what is noun. Noun names a person, place, thing or idea. Now let's discuss verb here. What is a verb? A verb can tell what action someone or something is doing. A verb can express a state of being. Look at the example here. The action or physical movement, if we see here, run, jump, sit, ask, think, talk. These are the action here. Example of verb here. State of being, being something. Am, is, are, was, were, like I am teacher, I am a teacher here. Here, the am is verb of state. These are all the example of action verb and these are all the example of state verb. So, now dear students, you have learned the concept of noun and verb. Let's move to the exercise. What you need to do, match the nouns of the column A here. These are all the nouns here. With the verbs in the column B, we have verb here and write them in column C. What you need to do, match the things with the noun here with the verb here. You have to generally guess what these noun here mostly do. This is very easy, you can guess this very easily. Let's look at the first one here, brother. What brother mostly do? If you think of your own brother, younger or elder brother, what they mostly do? Yes, you have to choose it here, you have to match this brother word here with any of the verb from in this section. Look at here. A brother cooks, teases, guides, works, teaches or learns. Yes, brother mostly teases. A brother mostly teases you. So, the brother noun is matched with the verb tease here. Like this. You have to write here like this. What brothers do? Teases. You have to match it with like this. What a father do? A father mostly works. Yes. So, you have to write here works. The father matches with the verb works here. So, what does a mother do? Yes, she mostly cooks for you. What does a teacher do? Yes, teacher mostly teaches you. It's her duty to teach you. It's very easy. What does student do here? It's very easy. We have two options left here. Yes, student learns. Teachers teach and student learns. What does a principal do? Yes, principal guides you. Now look at the page number 14. Look at here, we have a section C of it. The same exercise we did. Mark the right answer from the given choices. For each sentence, you have to choose the right option. We have 4 options for each sentence. You have to choose the suitable one. This is from verb and noun, which we discussed in this lesson earlier. Which one is the suitable verb for the noun father? Yes, we have discussed this. Bring up. Yes. Because what does father mostly do? What is the duty of a father? To bring you up. Look at the second one. Many stars in the sky. Yes, this is from your previous lesson. The concept of there is and there are. For singular, we have to choose there is to indicate, to show one item or one person. There is for singular, and for plural, more than one item, we have to choose there are to indicate or to show more than one person or more than one item. So, we have many stars here. This is plural form, we have many stars here, so we will choose there are here. Look at the third one. A moon in the sky. Yes, a moon is singular item here. So, we will choose yes, there is. So, look at the fourth one. It's quite different. 3 notes of 10 rupees in your pocket. There is a question mark here. Yes, we have learnt this in your previous lesson. The concept of there are and is there, are there or there is. We have 4 options here. We have learned this. If you ask a question, you have to sweep up this. In question, you have to put as first and there after. Are in plural, you have to put are first and there after. Like this. Is there? Are there? And question mark at the end of the sentence. Because you are interrogating, you are asking something about a person or item, about the presence of item or person here in the present situation. So what you need to do, you have to choose the right option here. Yes, we have a specific number here. 3 notes. It means the item is more than one. 3 notes. So we will ask like this. Are there? Yes, this is the right option here. Look at the 5th one. A blue marker in the bag. Here, The item is one, a blue marker. It's asking about a blue marker, one item here. So, we will ask like this. Is there? Yes, this is the right option. Let's look at here section D, listening and speaking. Make a group of 5 students in your class and answer the following questions using there is or there are, one by one. You have to make a group of 5 students and you have to practice this. The concept we have learned for there is and there are. There is indicates one item or one person. And there are more than one. Like 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. We have learned this concept. You have to make a group of 5 students and practice this question. Ask these questions from one another and you have to choose there is and there are words in your sentences. For example, if one student asks from another student, how many rooms are there in your home? So, if you have 2 rooms or 3 rooms, you will answer like this. There are 3 rooms in my home. Look at the answer here. The person is asking about rooms here, more than one, not about a room, not about one item here. The student is here asking about many, more than one items. So you have to answer it in a plural form into there are form. You have to show or indicate, but if you have one room, you can answer to that question like this. There is one room in my home. So you have to carry these questions, you have to ask this question from one another, make a group of 5 and practice this to learn the concepts more of there is and there are. Dear student, this is your homework from summer pack. Write a passage on the importance of promises. Tell from which SLO this question has been taken. We have learned the concept and understand the concept and importance of promises, how to keep promises and why the promises are important. So you have to write a passage on it. I hope you can do this very easily. Thank you students. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson.